Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm going to show you the 1-5-6-4 chord progression in the key of E flat. All right, the 1 chord is going to be E flat major. 5 chord is going to be B flat major. 6 chord is going to be C minor. 4 chord is going to be A flat major. All right. Our E flat major scale: E flat is our 1, F is our 2, G is our 3, A flat is our 4, B flat is our 5, C is our 6, D is our 7, back to E flat, our 1. All right, so our 1 chord, left hand E flat, B flat, right hand E flat, F, G, B flat. All right, E flat major chord. I'm hitting the E flat to B flat at the same time, and then I'm hitting the F to the G while I hit the left hand. All right, 5 chord. All right, I utilize both inversions. Left hand B flat, F, and B flat. Right hand D, F, B flat. All right, and then you're gonna want to invert that down: B flat, C, D, F. So let me show you. All right, walk into my C minor, C, D to the E flat, and I'm playing a E flat major on my right hand with C on my left hand. So I got C, G on my left hand, right hand B flat, E flat, G. All right, it's gonna give me a C minor 7 chord. All right, C, G, and then B flat's my 7th, minor 3rd, and then G is my 5th. All right, 4 chord, A flat major, left hand A flat, E flat, right hand A flat, B flat, C, E flat. All right, put it all together. First passing chord we can go through the 3 to get to the 4. All right. All right, 3, 4. That chord, left hand G and D, right hand G, B flat, E flat. All right, that's a passing chord to get to the 4. All right, next thing I can do is I can walk up a progression and say 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. All right. 6. We got the 6 chord already. All right. So we're gonna play this right after we play. So we got 1, 5. As soon as we hit the 6, we're gonna go. So we got 6. We got that chord already. All right, 7, we're gonna play B flat major over D. Left hand D and A, right hand D, F, B flat. It's my 7. 4 or 1, it's gonna be E flat major. We got that chord already. E flat, B flat, right hand E flat, F, G, B flat. All right, that's my 6, 7, 1. So 6, 7, 1, 3. We're gonna go to that same passing chord on the 3 that we did earlier. All right, G and D, right hand G, B flat, E flat, and then same 4 chord, A flat major, A flat, E flat, right hand A flat, B flat, C, E flat. So we got 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right, walk it down. Walk down. A flat and C. G and B flat. F and A flat. E flat, and G. All right, walk it down. All right, finally, what you can do to it, if you switch the rhythm up, so you can play off the 6 chord, 1, 5, right here off the 6. All right, that chord there, I'm hitting the C, E, and walking into it, C, D, E flat. All right, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna play C, G, and then I'm gonna take the G to A flat. That's what's gonna happen. All right, and but when I hit that E flat, I'm gonna hit the B flat. So I'll be playing A flat, B flat, and E flat by itself. All right, and then come down and hit the 3, and then the 4. All right. Little effect you can do. All right, so this is the 1, 5, 6, 4 in the key of E flat, along with a few passing chords that you can do. Hope they help. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.